Hello, my name is Adolfo León Muñoz Tovar. I am a civil constructor, and this is my daily routine about the weekly schedule made for the English class with teacher Mauricio Quimbayo. Generally, I am stand up at 6 o'clock with my tennis, pants, and sweater to do physical exercise. I finish at 7 o'clock with smooth strokes. At 8 o'clock, I am washing the dishes for preparing the breakfast. This is a diet of vegetables. At 8:30, the vegetables are cooking. And at 9 o'clock, this is ready for the breakfast. At 10 o'clock, I start the work with some architect friends. We are making our ham papers. At 1 o'clock, I am going home to have lunch. It is of the Corrientazo restaurant. In afternoon, I am preparing class of the laws because I am studying for lawyer. At 5 o'clock is my wife who prepares the dinner. At 6 o'clock, I am in class. Generally, the class finished at 9 o'clock. At 10:30, I am in my bed with my wife. This is this is my routine. Thank you very much.